Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this automatic 56 egg incubator with humidity display. It also has an egg handler. Alright, so today we've got our incubator. This one here holds up to 56 eggs. So this is a super large one. First off in the box, you can see they've got the plug right here on the side. So it is wrapped in this foam. It is recommended to keep the foam top and bottom, so it helps keep it nice and warm when you're in areas that are cold. So it does hold and candles up to 56 eggs. You can see that this egg is not rollers. In fact, it's like little nests that sit there and they roll back and forth to make sure that your eggs get turned. You have a reset button, you have the candler right here, you have a set button up and down, you got the power on and off. So this is a really nice incubator. You can adjust the appropriate temperature and humidity to make the hatching more effective. So inside this incubator, they have put the power cord as well as a instructions manual, basically teaching you how to use this incubator and the settings on this. So they have a connection to the rotator, which is already connected. So this is about 18.50 inches wide by 17.72 inches long. So this is a really nice big incubator. It does come with an instructions manual, power cord, and it does come with a little water dropper. The water dropper goes in the back. That is how you add water to this. So it shows you right here the instructions how to connect the motor and then how to put the top on. So right here we're just going to put that to the side, and then I'm going to make sure this is connected. So this whole piece comes out as one piece. They don't just come out individually. So once it is day 18, this is what you'll take off and out. So it has a little portion down here where the eggs will go there from the last 3 days. So when they start hatching, they will not be in these little holes. They will actually be at the bottom. And then you'll just remove the plug that goes into the power port for it to start moving your chicks back and forth. So we're going to move to the back side of the incubator. This is where you're going to install the water. There is a water tank on the left side as well on the right side. As experience, I would recommend not putting too much water until you get your humidity set, because this does not have a valve where you can release the humidity. I did learn that, so I end up having to fix that. So right here my humidity is a little high, so I had to open it up. It went up to 70%. So I do recommend when you're putting your water in, do a little at a time and let it set for a while so it can heat it up. But this is a really nice big incubator. You can see that it's holding my eggs just fine. When you want to automatically move the trays so it can move them back and forth, you can push the reset button and it will automatically move. And then when it does it by itself, it's every 2 hours. But if you want to do it, you can see right here how it's turning the eggs. I did have to open it up because, like I said, my humidity was all the way up at 71 and they do not have a valve. The only way to release it is opening up the top, which kind of sucks if you're on day 18. But if you're looking for a nice incubator, I definitely say check this one out.